Hello everyone. So in this video we'll try to learn how to draw the graph of this equation r equals to a 1 plus cos theta in polar coordinates. So this graph has a special name that is called cardioid. So we'll try to draw this curve in the polar coordinates. So before that we'll first try to understand how does this polar coordinate behaves. So along this direction you have the r and this direction you have the theta. So this you can see that there are concentric circles. So this circle is of radius 1, this circle is of radius 2, this is of radius 3 and so on. Right? So for this purpose we'll take a special particular value of a, and that will be easier to explain. Then you can generalize for any value of a. So for our easy drawing we'll take a equals to 2. So basically you're looking at r equals to 2 times 1 plus cos theta. Now suppose if we take this point, what does this point represent? So this point is on the circle of radius 2 and it is on the line theta equals to pi by 3. So this point is actually 2 comma pi by 3. Similarly, if I take another point, this point, so this point is on the circle of radius 3, so it is 3 comma and the line is pi by 6, so 3 comma pi by 6. So this is how the polar coordinates work. So we'll try to find some initial values of theta, what will be the value of r, so that will help us to plot the graph. So let us try to make a table. So we'll start with, say, maybe we can do the opposite, so theta and r. So let us take 0, then it is, so cos 0 is 1, so it is 1 plus 1 2, so 2 times 2 it will be 4, right? Next we have, say, let us take theta to be pi by 3. Then what we have, so cos pi by 3 half, so 1 plus half 3 by 2, so it's 3. And then let us take pi by 2. So pi by 2, it is cos value is 0, so basically it's 2. Then maybe you can take 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3, the cos value is minus half, so 1 minus half is just a half, so half of 2 is 1. Then you can take pi. Pi, the cos value is minus 1, so basically it's 0. Let us take a few more values. Then after pi, we can take 4 pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3 cos value is negative half. So 1 minus negative half, again half. So half of 2, so it will be 1. And then 3 pi by 2 we can take. So 3 pi by 2, it is again 0. So just 2. Cos value is 0, so it's just 2. And then we can take 5 pi by 3. So it is plus half. So 3 by 2 times 2, so it is 3. And then finally 2 pi, it is 1, so 4. So I think all these things will be sufficient to draw our graph. So let us try to plot the points one by one, and then we'll join the coordinates or these points to get the figure. So it starts from r comma theta, so 4 comma 0, so this is my point 4 comma 0. Okay, next point is 3 comma pi by 3, so pi by 3 is this line and 3 means this circle, so it's 3 comma pi by 3 is this one, so 3 comma pi by 3. Next is 2 comma pi by 2, so now I think it's clear how to coordinate point, so it's 2 comma pi by 2 is here. Okay, so next point is 1 comma 2 pi by 3, so 2 pi by 3 and 1. Okay, so this point. I don't know how does the graph look like till now, so maybe we can coordinates we can keep outside. So 1 comma 2 pi by 3. So this one. Okay, next you have 0 comma pi. So 0 comma pi, yes. So this is, I think this is a typo. So this is not pi by 2, it's just pi. So 0 comma pi is here. Maybe we can write later. Next we have 1 comma 4 pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3 here and 1 here. So this is 1 comma 4 pi by 3. And then we have 2 comma 3 pi by 2. So 2 comma 3 pi by 2 is here. And then you have 3 comma 5 pi by 3. So 3 comma 5 pi by 3 will be here. And then finally 2 pi it's again 4. So this will come back here. Okay, so now you got more or less the structure, and I have to connect these points only. So here you can see that clearly it follows a path. So it will go like this, come here, and then again come here and go back to like this. I don't know whether I can join it perfectly, but this is the figure. So let us try to, already messing it up, but let's try. This roughly I'm trying to draw. I'll put a figure that is from the internet that looks much better than this, but this is just for understanding. It will go here and it will come back. So roughly this will be the figure. So this just to illustrate your diagram. If you want to do double integrals or triple integrals to find area inside the graph of this cardioid, you need a rough sketch. So I think that is serves the purpose. Don't have to be a perfect figure, but you'll at least understand how the figure is working. So you can see any figure, this cardioid diagram, you can just search and find a better picture, but this is how you draw the sketch. Hope it is clear how to draw cardioid or this type of polar equations in the polar coordinates. Okay, then today I'll stop here.